Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today we are talking about Playwright accessibility testing. Introduce A11 testing WCAG-compliant. Use Xcore Playwright to scan for violations. Generate as actionable A11 reports. Summary. Ensure web UI meets accessibility standards. Integrate Xcore with Playwright scan page, accept zero violation. Use need-inclusive access, screen reader, keyboard, navigation, color contrast. Automated scaling caching 60 to 70% of common issue quickly. Here list stand. Use automated A11Y scan as a part of functional test suite. Common violation code by A11Y tools. Here is a tab, here is example. First is a no text content general for the imaging tag missing author attribute. Run heading order H4 directly after H1. Contrast issue. Let green text on a white background. Form label issues. Import a field with no label. Interactive elements. Div acting like the button without a row. How to do? First, npm install Xcore Playwright. Because we want HTML report, so second, install npm install HTML report. Coding I will show you on the Visual Studio Code. Okay, let me do install and coding. First, open terminal. Here you can find the terminal and open terminal and type npm install Xcore Playwright. Because I installed, so you type this command in terminal and run. And the second, npm install HTML report. So after this two install, you can do for the coding. On the coding, we just under test add. This is accessibility test. So here is the test included here. In the testing, we first define the test and expected from the Playwright test. And also after install, you have AxeBuilder. This is for the Xcore builder. So use this builder, we can find the violation. Second, here I create HTML report. So this is we second install HTML report. And here required F system, file system. That is because we are after run results we write to the file, so need this request for the fs. So first give the block, and here is the first go to the page. So we test this page for violation. And here you see here is results equal new AxeBuilder. This is a page. What page you go, and this is a page. And with here you see with the tag, we tag is WCAG-2A, and this is we select this one, and get this results, analyze, use this function analyze. Then we write to this JSON file. This is a folder, and here is the file name. This is the kind of the JSON file. You see here is a fs write file synchronize. But JSON file we read is a little difficult. That is for machine reader. For human being reader is a little confusing or little difficult. So we convert JSON file to HTML file. So this is the results, and the option is this is a use A11Y, and here is a auto director. So here is my director. You see here we have the two file here, and what file you should create. So this is create this HTML file and use this file convert to this HTML file. And here is a set no violation. If find the violation, this asset field. If no violation, this is a pass. Okay, let me run result. So right click and run result. Okay, this finishes. So here is a HTML report. So I just copy this one and open it. And here you can see what results we have. Okay, so for this web, no violation. So you can see here is 0 violation. And you can open it and see what test has. And here you see in the label. So here is you can see what in this one, and here is nothing. So this is for the first web we test. So I change it for another web test and see what happened for the second web. Okay, so you see here is a test field. So I also open this one and see what happened. So find 13 violations. So here is a list, all of the violation here, and also give detail what happened and what should correct and what issue have in this second web page. Thank you for your watching the video. Hope today's video can help you. If you want to follow us update, please subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.